Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to link a PSN account to Steam. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. What you need to understand is PSN accounts cannot be linked to Steam directly like Steam, Epic Games or Steam or Ubisoft Connect. Linking usually works through individual games that support cross-platform accounts, example Fortnite, Rocket League, Call of Duty and Apex Legends, etc. You need a game account, often called an Epic or Activision account, that allows linking both Steam and PSN. So to do it, simply head over and open up a browser, then on the search bar type in Epic Games and then tap on the first link that's shown to you. Now here, what you need to do is create or log into the game account and then, for example, Epic Games account for Fortnite or Rocket League, and go to the game's account management page. Then once you're inside there, the next step is to link PSN. In account settings, find connection or linked accounts, then select PlayStation Network. Then that will prompt you to sign in with your PSN credentials. Simply authorize the connection. The next step is to link Steam. In the same connection or linked accounts section, select Steam, then sign in with your Steam account and authorize the connection. And once that's done, what you need to do is verify. Once both accounts are linked, your progress, items or games may be saved, access or across PSN and Steam for that game. Example, Fortnite allows you to use the same skins and progress on both PS4 and PS5 and Steam PC after linking through Epic Games. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have. See you soon on the next one.